Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to share full reel on Instagram story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open the reel which you want to share to your story and tap on this paper plane icon and tap on add reel to your story, and you can make the video large and now tap on send and make sure to select your story and tap on share, tap on done, and it may take some time to finish uploading. And here you can see the reels has been uploaded, and here we can see a option watch full reel. So and you can tap on watch full reel to see the full reel. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.